Hey, how's it going, my friends? My name is Joe, and we're here at Lettopia Marketplace, one of the largest liquidation wholesalers in the United States. And now we're even offering shipping to Mexico. And today I'm here to talk to you guys about the summer slowdown. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys, especially if you own your own business, you notice that usually during the summer, sometimes things get a little bit slower, especially in the liquidation or in the reselling business. And now because of the war and other stuff going on, we're still going on through some COVID situations. There's a lot of things happening right now. The economy is crazy, inflation is high, so we're going through a lot of things right now. And the first thing a lot of people think is, how can I make some extra cash? Because everything is more expensive than it used to be. So instead of panicking or instead of worrying, you have to find out how to make some extra cash. And one of the best ways and easiest ways to make extra cash is through reselling, guys. Because even though we're going through these types of economies, people are still buying items, people are still buying things. The only thing is that people are looking to find items more affordable, right? So people still need things for their household. Now people like to go outside more. They're camping, they're doing more recreation. They're looking for things to do. So they're still looking for items. They just want these items to be more affordable. And here at Lettopia Marketplace, we offer you the items that you can resell to make either some extra cash, or you can also buy for yourself as well and save some money. But today I'm going to show you some items and some ways that you can resell the products from Lettopia Marketplace. Here in Lettopia, we have lots of amazing different items. Every day we get liquidated items. As you can see right here, they are overstock items. The majority of them are still brand new, but they either have too many or they're coming out with a new model or something like that. But in all these items, there's a huge opportunity to make some extra cash. Why? Because when you go to our application, I definitely suggest go download our app. It's called Lettopia, okay? You can find it either for your iPhone or for your Android, okay? Once you download the app, make sure to register. That way you can start shopping. And once you get into the app, you will go into the wholesale lots section of our app, okay? And here you will find all these amazing items that you can resell. And believe it or not, these are things that people are looking for. They just want a good deal on them, right? So let me give you an example. Here we have a portable air conditioner. Right now that the summer is coming, these are perfect. Check it out, guys. Look, these are portable air conditioners. People right now are looking for these, and you can get them here. They have different models, anywhere from $8 to $15 or $12 per item. And if you go to like Amazon, you'll see some for $39.99, $49.99. So even if you were to sell it for double, you're still saving the customer money and you are making some extra cash. So these are some really nice portable air conditioners that we have available, okay? And a lot of people are telling me, Joe, where can I sell these items? Well, it's very easy. Now, you don't even have to go do swap meets and stuff like that. You can do it from home. A lot of our clients are doing it through Facebook Marketplace. They're using apps such as OfferUp. Now they have the app Mercari. And there's so many new applications that once you do a little bit of research, you'll start noticing that there's a lot of people buying in these apps. Let's check out this next item here. Check this out. Same thing. Look, these are perfect right now for the summer. Look, people will be looking for these. People will be traveling. They will be going to the beach. They'll be doing a lot of fun activities. But guess what? They don't want to go to Big Five and pay $60 for a snorkeling set, right? So you go to our application. You will be able to see our price and the market value, right? So you can get an idea of how much money you can save your clients and how much money you can make as well when you sell it. So these items like these, you will be surprised. A lot of people travel and want to take their own sets because once you buy them somewhere else, they're going to be more expensive. Let me show you another simple but very popular item. This water bottle right here. These ones we've been selling like crazy. These are only $2.50. I've seen them in stores for upwards of $10, $15, $20 for a water bottle, guys. We have them for $2.50, guys. So there's so many items, guys, so many items that are available for you to buy and resell, or maybe for yourself. Let me show you guys little things like these. People are looking for things to do. They're looking for recreational things. This right here is used to make decorations on wood. Look at that. It's to make decoration on wood, okay? And these things, if you look on eBay, if you look on Amazon, they're expensive, guys. These things people are looking for. They're called wood burning tips right here. It comes with the wood burning tips. And you can make decorations for the wood. People are looking right now to do arts, to do crafts. And items like these you will find in our application, either for yourself or to resell. You know, in these times, people are still buying. Like I said, they're just looking for affordable items, and here at Lettopia, we have them. So like I said, guys, there's no reason to worry. All you have to do is take action, guys. There is ways to beat this summer slowdown. Even though the economy is crazy, the inflation is high, you guys can resell some of these items at a fraction of the original price, and you can still double and sometimes triple your money, guys. And how are you going to do it? Guys, there's Facebook Marketplace, it's free. There's OfferUp, it's free. You can now join Mercari. I even hear that Mercari has a feature where they will use one of the ride shares like Uber to go drop off the item to the customer. So guys, it's very simple, very easy, and we will be bringing more videos to show you different ways you can help yourself during this summer slowdown. So thank you so much for your time. Download the application and let's start making that extra cash. I'll see you guys on the next video.